Sonic nets could prevent bird strikes at airports. Researchers have found a new way to prevent bird strikes at airports, a problem that has cost the aviation industry billions of dollars worldwide. Bird strikes are a serious problem for the global aviation industry and are blamed for 255 human deaths between 1988 and 2013. Traditional methods used to reduce bird strikes include shooting, poisoning, scaring them with dogs, and capturing the birds. However, none of these methods are highly effective. Looking for a high-tech method to scare birds away from airports, researchers in Virginia set up a sonic net zone near an airstrip. It had speakers and amplifiers emitting decibel levels equivalent to that of between a domestic dishwasher and a busy restaurant. The noise disrupted bird communication and forced them to go elsewhere. The experiment found that 80% of the bird population near the airstrip area was reduced as a result of the sonic net. Researchers said there was no sign of the birds becoming habituated to the noise generated by the sonic net, meaning the method could remain effective for a long period of time.